Hi my dear students, welcome back to our class. Today we are going to see how to prepare one receipts and payment account. So I have taken one problem from T.S. Grewal book, our reference book, page number 1.59 and exercise number 1. So whenever you are going to read the question, first you have to identify the problem. What kind of problem we are going to solve. So here the problem may be specified bottom of the question or top of the question. So here at the bottom nothing is specified, so surely they would specify on top. Let us start. From the information given below, prepare receipts and payment account of Railway Club for the year ended 31st March 2020. So here easily you can understand that we have to prepare receipts and payment account for Railway Club. So when for the year ended 31st March 2020. So they are following financial year. So what will be the beginning of the year? So 1st April 2020. So we are going to prepare the receipts and payment account from 1st April 2019 to 31st March 2020. Next, so they have given different items. So when we will read the problem, that time we have to identify the respective item. Say for example subscription, so it belongs to revenue receipt. Donations, it is nothing specified, so it belongs to revenue receipt. So like we have to identify the nature, then we can easily prepare receipts and payment account. So with the help of it only we can prepare income and expenditure account and balance it. So for preparing income and expenditure account and balance it, we must identify the nature, whether capital or revenue. Then if it is capital, then also we have to identify it belongs to capital receipt or capital payment. So like we have to refer. So now we will go one by one. Cash in hand on 1st April 2019, 4,390. So this is opening cash balance. I told you in the previous session, receipts and payment account will begin with opening cash balance including bank balance. So here they have provided cash in hand. So where it will come? Good. Receipts and payment account, debit side, that is receipt side, to balance brought down. Next, subscription. So subscription we will receive yearly or monthly. It means it is recurring in nature, so it is called as revenue receipt. So it is an inflow revenue receipt, so it will appear under receipt side, debit side. Next, donations. So nothing is specified. If it is specified, then it will go to capital receipt, but it is nothing specified, so it belongs to general donations. So it should be treated as a revenue receipt and it is an inflow, so it will come under receipt side, debit side. Next, entrance fees. So entrance fees entrance fees, as per our syllabus and instructions, it should be treated as revenue receipts. Then it is an inflow, it will come under a receipt side. Next, rent received for club halls. So it is an receipt item. See, received. So received means receipt. So it will come under receipt side. It is an inflow. Next, electricity charges. So normally we will pay the electricity charges. So nothing is specified received. So always it will be paid, electricity charges. So it is an outflow, so it will come under payment side, credit side. Taxes paid, cash outflow, payment side, credit side. Next, salaries, cash outflow, payment side. So these electricity charges, tax paid, salaries are recurring in nature. So it is called as revenue payment. Next, honorarium to secretary. So to honor the secretary, we would be paid. So it is called as honorarium to secretary. So what I told you, paid. So paid means cash outflow. It will come under payment side, credit side. It may be repeated. So it should be treated as revenue payment. Next, interest received on investments. So interest we will always receive. So it is recurring in nature. So it is called revenue receipt. See here, in between they have given the one receipt amount. So we must be very careful to identify the nature. So interest received on investment. So it is an inflow. So it is called as a receipt. So it will go under receipt side. Next, printing and stationery. So stationery items always in recurring in nature. So we will always pay this amount. So it is an outflow. Then it should be treated as revenue payment. So it will go to payment side. Next, petty cash expenses. So these expenses also will repeat. So it is recurring in nature, revenue payment, cash outflow, then it will go to payment side. Next, insurance premium paid. So we will pay the insurance every year. So it is an outflow. Then it should be treated as a revenue payment. So it will come under payment side. Okay, hope you can understand these items where will go. So now we will prepare this account. So I have already made one format in Excel sheet. I think this would be much sufficient. See the format, Railway Club. After that, receipts and payment account for the year ended 31st March 2020, debit side, credit side, receipts rupees, payment rupees. Why we are using the term debit and credit? Because we are preparing account. So when the term account would be used, that time automatically debit and credit will reflect in our account. So only debit and credit comes. Next, receipts, payments. So this will show inflow, this will show payment. So there is no any partiality between revenue and capital. So all natures will appear under receipts and payment account. If it is inflow, then it will come under receipt side. If it is an outflow, then it will go to payment side. So this account will always begin with opening balance. Balance drop down under that cash. So how much cash in hand? 4,390 rupees. 4,390. Next, subscription. So I already told you it is an inflow, revenue receipt. So we will enter under receipts, subscription. How much? 37,600 rupees. 37,600. Next, donations, receipt. To donations, 8,000. Next, entrance fees. To to entrance fees 4,300 rupees. Next, because this is receipt. Next, rent received. So this is a receipt. So rent received from club halls 5,250. Next, electricity charges. See, this is a payment, cash outflow. So we'll begin with by electricity charges. How much? 3,440. Next, taxes paid, payment by taxes paid. How much? 490. Next, salaries, payment. Salaries, payment 21,500. Next, honorarium to secretary. So see this term to. So to means always would be payment. From always would be receipt. So honorarium to secretary. So this is a payment. So it will come under payment side by honorarium to secretary 2,500 rupees. Next, interest received on investment. So once again, see, they have given this receipt item in between the payments, expenditures. So we must be very careful. So only I always try to say, write down the nearby item where it will appear. So interest received on investment is a revenue receipt because it is recurring in nature. So interest received on investment and inflow, so it will go to receipt side. So to interest received from investment 2,950. Next, printing and stationery. So printing and stationery is a payment expenditure. So by printing and stationery 350 rupees. Next, petty cash expenses. So expenses, payments, petty cash expenses. Petty cash expenses 900. Next, insurance premium paid. So the term is clearly defining paid. So it will go to payment. Insurance premium. Insurance premium paid rupees 300. So now we have entered all the amounts. See here 62,490 rupees comes. Then here how much comes? So this is the highest total. Then definitely it will be lowest total. For your convenience, I am totaling this payment amount. See here 29,490 only it is showing. So receipt side is high, payment side is less. So this is called by balance carry down. See here what amount they have given under opening balance. So here they have given cash balance. So surely cash only should reflect under balance carry down. So cash. So here we will write down the differentiation amount. So I will subtract by using the formula. Sum 62,490 minus this amount. So the answer is 33,000. Once again, here what term they have defined. So same term only will reflect under balance carry down. See here under balance opening balance they have given cash. So here cash only should come. Okay, my dear students, see this video. Further doubt will arise, please raise during Google Meet class. If you want to text me also by using WhatsApp, you can text me. Thank you. Have a nice day.